In this video, I'll show you how to export your wise statements. If you want a clear data statement of all of your transactions inside of Wise, you can do it within a few steps. If this video sounds helpful to you, make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. In order to head over to your statement list, you can tap on the profile icon on the top left. From this profile section, under your account, you'll be able to see a section called Statements and Reports. Just tap on this option. Now either you can download statements or statement of fees. You can separately download the fees list as well if you want to take a look at all of the fees that you've incurred. For the statement, tap on the statements option and then you can select a currency or the currency account of which you want the statement of. So just select your currency account and then you can sort out it by date. You can manually select the date as well, or you can also just tap on these options on the top. For example, if you select last quarter, it's going to automatically select the date. Now there are different types of file formats that you can download the statement into. If you tap on the file format option, you can download it in PDF, CVS and in Excel file sheet. So depending upon what you want, you can just select this option and then tap on download. Similarly to the statement, you can also do the same for a statement of fees. You can select the date and then tap on download. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you in the next one.